A tree that is a source of commercial timber called red meranti and is traded internationally. What a majestic tree it is. Introducing almond, Shorea almond of the family Dipterocarpaceae. Almond is a large growing buttressed evergreen tree. Its wood is a source of commercial timber called red meranti and is traded internationally. Due to the wood's beautiful ribbon figures, the wood is excellent for cabinetry and the manufacture of high-end furniture. It is also in great demand to manufacture rotary and sliced veneer plywood. Almond produces a resin known commercially as damar, which is said to be partially soluble in alcohol and commonly used to manufacture varnishes and inks. Like many trees in the Dipterocarpaceae family, almond is considered a keystone species. This means its presence is vital for the other flora and fauna in its environment. Almond plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. Its vast canopy is instrumental in regulating the microclimate of the forest floor, maintaining humidity and shielding the ground from excessive sunlight. The tree also serves as a habitat for various species from mammals to birds and insects. Its flowers attract pollinators, which are essential for the reproductive success of many plants in the vicinity. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.